Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay joined to the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my supporters. I love you guys, appreciate you guys a bunch. Today's video, get decided how to look flawless, best skincare product for skin 40 plus. Well, we have some Tasha product here that we're going to try, like the gorgeous Silk Serum. That is fabulous, and if you don't like to wear retinol, this is definitely do more than what retinol do for you. So then we have the water cream. That's one of my favorites here too, from Tasha all time. We have here the DEWY cream. I love this. And then we have here the Indigo overnight cream that we're also going to be talking about. It's one of my favorite night cream, and this is new for me. I'm gonna be trying this for the first time. This is the Tasha Indigo cleansing balm. It's fabulous. It's like a balm that cleans without, you know, strip your skin and moisture and nourishes and all this good stuff. So if you love skincare as much as I do, you want to know how I look flawless at 40, keep watching. Alright guys, so the first product from Tasha that we're going to be trying on and using today is going to be this set here, Stress Skin Transform. Ooh, look at this pretty box. Let's see inside. So if you guys want to read, you just screenshot it. Tasha Indigo Overnight Repair Cream right here. And come with this product that I'm new to is the Tasha Indigo Cleansing Balm. I'm super excited for trying this cleansing balm because you guys know I am a sucker for cleansing balm, cleansing oils. I just think that they do such a good job keeping our skin looking fabulous. So we're gonna start with the cleansing balm, and then we have other products here from Tasha to try. Serum, right? Oh, look how pretty. What is this? No way. Is this like we scoop the balm? So here is what the balm look like. Let's see. It is scentless. Oh, it feels so good on the skin. Indigo Cleansing Balm, gentle, frictionless cleanser, balances skin's pH and replenishes the skin barrier with liptis. After 1 week, 100% show improvement in the skin moisture using the cleanser alone. What? I'm so excited for this. Now here is the Indigo Overnight Repair. That's right here. Then treat plus nourish. So with this one, first purified, then treat and nourish. Indigo Overnight Repair Serum in moisture treatment visibly calms irritation while strengthening the skin barrier with ceramides. After 1 week, 91% average improve the skin barriers. I'm so excited for this duo. So this is the first product from Tasha on this mini Tasha skincare haul that we're going to be trying. So let me just remove the cleansing balm of my skin because it feels amazing. So I have a little wet facial towel here. We're gonna go to our second product, and like I told you guys, this product I have here for a while, but now that I got the chance to sit down and film, we're going to be doing. This is the Tasha, the Silk Serum. Ooh, love it. So I'm super excited for this product, and the PR box comes so pretty. So Wrinkle-Smoothing, visible firming, redness reducing, pore minimizing, hydrating. Girl, all these on this little bottle. This is phenomenal. So let's use this beauty. It smells fresh. It smells amazing. It smells like herbs, you know. The Silk Serum delivers the same wrinkle-smoothing power of retinol alternative that also hydrates, reduces redness, and so much more. Our retinol alternative duo of cranberry extract and the sea fennel support collagen depleted skin, while Silk nourish like drying, irritated vitamin E derived like retinol. The Silk Serum is made to use when you want, up to 2 times daily. Start day 1, no ramp up time, skin cycling necessity. Okay. Clinical proof results after 2 weeks, 100% improve the texture, redness, and the look of fine lines. What? I'm gonna make these like a body size so you can use the whole body. These Silk Serum reduce the look of wrinkle, visible, even hypigmentation, visible firm, minimize the look of pores, hydrates, reduce irritation, won't increase photosensitivity, no vitamin A derived. Wow, really amazing. So my new best friend is this Tasha Silk Serum. So our next box here, oh, I'm so excited for this box. Unbox 2 beloved bestseller. So these 2 is Tasha's bestsellers. They are award-winning moisturizer, glowing results, and ratings are just for the beginners. Love it. Oh my gosh. So here we have the Tasha water cream and the Dewy skin cream. The water cream, I do have one of them up there that I use like a moist every day when my skin is feeling a little dry, so I just give some moisture. But the Dewy skin I'm new to, so let's see why people love Okinawa algae and hyaluronic acid hydrate plus plump Japanese purple rice, protects against pollution plus stress, botanical extract, part do glow. Love it. Proven results, 100% show improvements in plumpness, softness, super radiant, and moisture sealing. 100% demonstrate an increase in hydration just 2 weeks. 2 weeks. My god, I'm loving it. Now let's see our water cream. I just love Tasha's packaging. They are so pretty. Water Buzz formula, immediate double the skin moisture, wild rose tightening pore plus smooth texture, leopard lily controls excess oil and clarified skin, proving 100% show improvement in skin texture plus radiance after 1 use. I know. Alright, you guys convinced me. I love this one. This the water cream I do on this. So since I do on the water cream and I'm used to use them all the time, I have my over there that I've been using. I can show you guys. Let's try the Dewy cream because it's my first time trying it. Alright, I like the smell. Replenish, plump, and regenerate. Let's not forget the neck. That's the cream texture. Wow, the skin feels amazing. I wish you guys could touch it. So that's how the skin feels after I use the serum, the cream, and the Indigo Balm. The overnight Indigo cream I'm gonna save for use later before I go to bed because this is my morning skincare routine. So later we try this one, and the water cream, I love it. I use this one all the time. So if you guys want to give a try any of this product, I definitely highly recommend. You guys know Tasha is amazing. They do the most amazing skincare in the market. It's one of my favorite by formula. Packaging, they have the most gorgeous packaging out there. Sorry everyone else. That's true. I'm gonna have the link for Tasha in the description of this video where you guys can check them out. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you Tasha so much for sending me these beauties in a PR package. I love you guys. I've always been a huge fan of his skincare. It's a pleasure to be able to use them. Thank you. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.